I went to a church in Northern California, and Dr. Phil Godot asked two questions. He said, would you put your money into a vending machine that had a sign in it that read out of order? And of course, the question rhetorical is no. And then the next question was, if you had your paycheck and you went to the bank and the ATM machine read out of order, would you put your check in it through that in that ATM machine? And obviously, no, I wouldn't. And he stated this: if you won't put your check into something that's out of order, why should God put his blessing when you're out of order? Of course, when something's out of order, it means broke, right? And some of us are broke because we're out of order. When you have things in order in your life, God blesses the things that are in order. But God is not a God of disorder. He doesn't bless the things you have out of order. There are people who have some areas of their life in order and they're receiving the blessing of God in those areas. But the areas in their life that are in chaos, that are in disorder, that's why there's brokenness. So ask yourself, what are you putting into that's out of order? And how can you expect God to bless you when you wouldn't even bless someone who did the same thing?